Hi.
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 Because you're a virgin.
What?
How did you? I read your journal. But let's not stray from the original point. How the you still virgin, brother? Me I go get him some punani.
Your face is visually appealing. Your face.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah. So, do you like Japan?
Yeah. This is my first time in Japan, actually.
Mine too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Brother, no, brother, no. Brother, leg off for the girl here.
This
Save that for the bedroom.
all of this?
Yes. This is my real hair.
Very nice.
Thanks.
Yeah.
I like your hair too.
Thank you. I got a haircut.
Haircuts are good.
Yeah.
Brother, what the like, I can literally hear her getting dry by the minute. Like her is just getting dry. This conversation is making her dry.
I'm really happy you were able to find this specific kind of razor.
Yeah. So,
I have to meet a friend.
oh, really?
Actually,
But, you know, we can go see a movie. Yeah, we can see Star Wars.
Brother, Star Wars, stop talking about blood. Star Wars.
I don't like movies. Actually,
You don't like Star Wars?
I don't like movies. Yeah. I don't like going to the movies.
Okay. Maybe we can do something else.
Actually, the truth is I'm really busy. You see, I am on vacation with this friend that I'm meeting right now, and I think we're just gonna do everything together, so...
Maybe I can join. Yeah.
Actually, this friend is actually my boyfriend.
Boyfriend?
Yeah, so I think I'm gonna go meet him right now, but it was really nice talking to you.
Okay. Can I kiss you?
Today, me I link up with one of my bros. I met him through a mutual friend recently, and you know, we've been cool ever since.
Yo, Jack. What's up, man?
Hey, Anthony.
You doing good, man?
Hey, good to see you.
What's up, bro?
He told me his last girlfriend was Jamaican, so that kinda give him some cool points.
How was last night?
Bro, I barely remember anything from last night.
Oh, really? You blacked out?
I'm not a big drinker, but last night, yo, me did frass.
Oh, so you don't remember anything? Like, did you get action? Or you don't know if you went home with anyone? Or...
Bro, I don't kiss and tell. But bow chicka bow wow.
So you do remember? Okay.
Yeah, but it was a good time. I'm not
Yeah?
gonna lie. Yeah.
What's she like?
White?
He's white.
Yeah.
Not my type.
But yo, bro. I saw like a f***ing zip liner in this park. We should go.
A zip line?
A zip liner. Yeah.
What are you, 10 years old? I'll race you.
Yo, sometimes you just have to unleash your inner child. I feel like as adults, we take things too seriously more while. So after we went down the slide, I noticed I couldn't really fit on enough of the other things than on the playground. So I just call it a day.
The hangover that I had before coming, I feel like it's gone, you know?
The slide saved you.
Nice. Slide shot. The girl from last night, she just texted me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What does she want?
Probably some of this chocolate. Yeah.
But you didn't tell me, like, what's she like? What type of girl?
Oh, God.
Where'd you meet her?
Okay, so I was at the aquarium, right? I went like on the outskirts of the aquarium. I went over there, you know, we talked. Turned up the charm, you know. The conversation, you know, it was good. Yeah. And, you know, I asked her out to get some coffee.
Oh, just coffee.
Yeah, we went to get some coffee, yeah. And then we went to the club.
Wow.
Yeah, we went to the club after we got some coffee. Like, crazy, right?
Coffee
like,
in a club.
All of this happened yesterday.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, you want to see a picture? Yo, I should show you a picture.
Oh, you have one?
Yeah, I have a
Alright,
picture. Let me show you.
Let me see.
Let me show you. I have a picture.
What the are you showing me?
What do you mean?
Who's that? That's who you slept with?
Yeah, that's a girl. What's wrong? What, you know her?
Are you fucking serious?
Is she your sister?
Are you fucking serious?
Bro, what's going on? Wait.
It's my fucking girlfriend.
Your girlfriend?
Are you serious right now? You think this is a joke? Are you?
No.
funny?
Wait. Stop. This is your girlfriend.
Shut the up. What are you?
Bro,
are you fucking serious?
Bro, what?
This is who you slept with.
I didn't even know you had a girlfriend.
Are you fucking
No.
Oh, me would I know say a theme girl that? You think me just go around and ask girls whether or not them in a relationship or not? Here what? Even if you keep all of that energy there for his girl.
Just calm down. Calm. Alright. This energy is not for me, alright? It's not for me. You need to keep that energy with your girlfriend. I didn't know that you had a girlfriend to begin with. I didn't know that, bro. So just take it down a notch.
Tell me what happened last night? What did you two do last night?
I don't remember.
You fucking slept with her.
I remember that, but I don't. Brother.
You slept with my girlfriend.
Brother. Bring it down a notch.
No, I'm not gonna bring it down. Are you serious?
No, bring it down a notch.
Brother, your girl wasn't all that for me to be going back and forth with you about, okay? Let it go. Me no want to hurt your feelings.
I'm a fucking second from knocking you out right now.
You see what you just did? You see what you fucking did?
No more really I get irritated. This you drop my phone. And he might take the situation to this whole other level where it no need for go. The whole thing unnecessary. It's ridiculous.
That's what you
Good. Stop this, alright? I didn't
What
know
the f did you just call me?
I said
What
stop.
the fuck
I
did you
said
just call
stop.
me?
No.
I swear to
Let me
God.
tell you, I want you back up.
Yo, I'm a
I want
second
you back up.
from
I want
knocking
you
out.
back the f up. Because it's gonna be a whole other situation. I'm
Touch me
telling
again.
you.
Touch me
I'm
again.
telling you, brother.
Touch
Brother.
Touch me one more.
Me I forgot show that white boy I say, you know, with Jamaicans. Check my bloodline. You're dead, boy.
Yo. Sorry, man. You know.
Yeah.
If I had known it was your girl.
Yeah, you didn't know.
Yeah.
The whole fight was unnecessary. I really wish it never did that for God here. You see me? But I'm glad we were able to resolve things and just, you know, keep it moving.
But yo, I'm hungry. You said that there's like a good place nearby, right?
Yeah, pole. It's
yo.
really good pizza.
Let's go then. Let's go. Let's do that.